Good evening. This is Shankar from Global Intelligence Network. The Middle East conflict is no longer just a war of missiles. It is now a war of systems, economies, and narratives. And in the last 24 hours, the conflict has taken a decisive and dangerous turn. Iran has expanded its operational footprint beyond military targets, now striking critical economic infrastructure across the Gulf. According to multiple reports, aluminium facilities in Bahrain were hit. Industrial assets linked to Emirates Global Aluminium in Abu Dhabi were targeted. Workers have been injured, and damage has been reported at key production sites. This marks a clear shift from battlefield warfare to economic warfare. This comes after recent US and Israeli strikes on Iranian nuclear linked facilities and follows strong statements from US leadership claiming military dominance. But Iran's response suggests something else, not retreat, but recalibration. Instead of matching force with force alone, Iran is now targeting supply chains and energy systems. This escalation is not regional anymore. It directly impacts global aluminium supply chains, manufacturing costs worldwide, energy markets, and investor confidence across Asia and Europe. In simple terms, the battlefield has moved from land to livelihoods. Like pouring oil onto a burning fire, every escalation is now amplifying the conflict, not containing it. At the same time, the war is also being fought through words, strong rhetoric, and repeated declarations of victory. But here is the deeper question. Are words resolving conflict or intensifying it? The wound caused by fire may heal, but the wound caused by words never truly heals. What we are witnessing now is a layered conflict: military strikes, economic disruption, and information warfare, strategic signaling, and none of these layers are de escalating. Gulf nations have condemned the strikes, calling it a violation of sovereignty, while global powers are watching closely, balancing between intervention and containment. Because one wrong move now could widen this into a multi front global crisis, like speaking into the ears of someone who cannot hear. Sometimes warnings are given but not received. This is no longer about who strikes harder, but about who sustains longer. Who controls systems, who controls perception, and ultimately, who controls stability. A leader must act with righteousness and balance, understanding the reality before acting. Because in today's world, power without balance does not create victory, it creates consequences. This is Shankar from Global Intelligence Network. Stay informed, stay aware, and above all, stay balanced.